I go in all the way. Breaks acting my drama straight. She walk my way. Don't take my karma straight. I'll make the way. I got the way. I'll make you lemon.
Guys, it's me, Luigi, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, this is my first vlog again. Hindi. So, pero ang tagal ko kasi nawala. So, now, I miss my background. Guys, before we start our video, let's subscribe and hit the subscribe bell to be updated with my eyebrow. So, we will have an action video as pa lemonade. So, before we start the video, subscribe. So, let's go. I'm so excited. Oh. I think may thumbnail na tayo agad. What if... Whoa! Oh my god! It's really, guys, sorry because that's my... Wait lang, I will fix that. Lang, may ring light. Wow, oh my god, guys, comment down below is your bias. Guys, you know, I miss vlogging because hindi ko siya pwedeng... I don't know, pero hindi ko siya kayang pakawalan.
Hold up, no, I can't control my mind. So good depression, give me energy, see that some people.
Wow, the feats, I love it. Guys, oh my god. Whoa, oh my god. The beat and the vocals of the members, wow. Guys, hindi ko alam paano ko siya ano tong ring light ko. Ano, hirap ko yun, good. Ganyan na lang.
Probably shouldn't talk right now. Like it?
Guys, you know, ay, meron pa akong gagawin pang vlog, like yung sa Undateable. Hindi ko alam paano siya bigkas. Guys, oh my god, grabe. I love Aespa. Oh my god, the beat. By the way, this is 3 minutes duration. Oh, it's so perfect. Oh my god, the color. Black beats. Yellow. Ito na. Ito na naman. Oh, wait, I stop. Like, grabe. Pwede ko. Ang ganda. Ganda din nito. Oh my god. Oh my god. Mamaya maghanap tayo ng thumbnail mamaya. Tapusin na natin ito. Ito ako sa bare face ko, guys. Walang makeup to. That's it. Oh my god, guys. Stream nyo to and share to your friends, guys. And grabe, 10 million nyo to. You know, first time ko mag-vlog ng grabe, ang close-up ko naman. Nagkukuhiyo. Ang close-up ng ko. ETA! ETA. Yama ETA. Ang ganda. Bet ko na bet ko to. Oh my god! Ang ganda sa mata ng yellow. Oh my god! Oh my god, wala akong masabi. Ang galing ng production. Wow, yellow. Koda. Kanino voice yon? Oh my god, guys, comment down below. Kaninong voice? Grabe, oh my god. That voice. Oh my god. Wow. Kudos to the production and the cameraman, the editor. Oh my god, wow, grabe. And hindi magiging ganito kung walang Aespa.
Wait, hold up.
Tapos na siya, guys. Oh my god, wait lang. Ano ko to? So don't forget to like, subscribe. So this is the end for you. So don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell to every upload. Love you guys. Love you all.
She walk my way.